think a lot of the buzzwords haven't necessarily changed per se. I think the technology has rapidly changed. Concepts themselves have remained consistent. So some of those buzzwords can be such things as cloud, hybrid, public, private cloud, virtualization, bring your device, BYOD, big data, mobile first, virtualization, hyper-converged infrastructure. Those are the types of buzzwords that come to mind. So I think it's about the workloads. With the cloud, and I'll speak specifically about Office 365, it was really about moving Exchange from an on-prem to an online. It was about SharePoint, it was about Skype or Lync at the time. Now it's really about security workloads, such as Azure Active Directory. It's about Power BI. It's about collaboration tools, such as Teams. It's the advanced workloads that Microsoft has introduced or continue to grow within their Microsoft 365 suites, which are really what customers are interested in. Two of the areas that I think are very important for CIOs to understand moving forward and continue to grow are artificial intelligence and machine learning, and availability of data. And specifically what I mean by that is taking data that an organization has and be able to use that data in a more effective manner. There's a lot of data out there organizations have access to. It's now being able to use that data in an informed manner so that their end users, as well as the IT department, can make sense of that data and use it for purposes that are going to benefit the company and their customers. Understanding what workloads they're comfortable with moving right away. So I think typically a test dev type environment or moving specific workloads that can run in a virtual machine, really sort of getting their feet wet, if you will, with specific workloads that they're comfortable with moving that don't have any type of dependency to an on-premise type application. Once they're comfortable with that, then looking at assessing specific applications that they can move to the cloud.